speed bumps. Actually, it's probably better to be in the bedroom. Let's go. Need to clean the apartment today. I do have a meeting with a client in 30 minutes. But this is what we've got going on. So they're making new speed bumps all around because apparently people have been speeding and almost running over people. So, and we have a few of our apartment, like people that live in the apartments now, and they share like a 2-bedroom, and so she's been kind of annoyed because she's almost been hit and stuff. So I guess they're creating speed bumps now, so many people won't be speeding about, which would be nice. It's a beautiful day. We have to see some blue sky. Might go for a walk if I'm feeling pretty energetic. This week I've just been like super tired, and so I haven't really got much studying done. I've had a lot of obligations this week, and I've made sure that I've prioritized that, but I've been really exhausted. So today I have a meeting with a potential client. I'm gonna run and get me a coffee from the clubhouse, lounge, whatever, before I get started. And today I need to get some studying done, absolutely. But the apartment's been so messy. If I don't clean the apartment like almost daily, then it gets really messy. Like dishes start to pile up on the countertop, and laundry, and just various things, stuff out of place. So I really am feeling like I want to clean it because I don't like living in an environment. I mean, I'm not like OCD. I'm not like everything has to be perfect. I would prefer it to be perfect, but I hate cleaning and taking that time and energy to do it. So I'm okay with it not being perfect all the time, but I do have a level of what I can tolerate and be around in my environment, and it's getting to the point where it's pretty messy feeling, I guess, like visually, and just it's kind of impacting me. So I need to do some straightening up, but first I got to take this call with my client or potential client, and I might apply to this Indeed job, not job, but it's like it could be a contract. So I'm gonna start looking on Indeed for contract work and going on there, although my hourly rate for contract work is going to be really high because I'm severely undervaluing myself. So I'm starting it at $100 an hour. I see a lot of them only are maybe like 50. Like you're lucky if you find like $40 to $50, because you have to remember, if you're a contractor, you're pretty much a business, so you need to be charging quite a bit because you don't have guaranteed 40, 50 hours of work. You don't have any benefits. You don't have any vacation, time off, sick time. Clients come, they go. You maybe have to drum up business, pay for advertisements. You have to run the business. So there's just a bunch of little things that I feel like it's justified charging $100 an hour and a minimum of $50 an hour because of everything that goes along with being a contractor, being a business owner. It's my favorite. I love snails. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. Look at how cute the snail is. I just love snails. I want a pet snail. Well, I have pet snails, rabbit snails, but like land snails. I love land snails. He's so cool. Look at his eyes. I just love the eyes. We're still doing there. I got my coffee. Smells amazing. Okay, I don't have much time. I'm gonna have to get back to the apartment. And oh, my coffee's hot. Ah. Okay, I gotta get back to the apartment. I have to rush. I'm not used to rushing after a year of being out of the workforce and like doing my own thing, being on my own time, just like studying, having a super flexible schedule, just like working YouTube videos and business ideas and all of that. I'm just not used to having to be somewhere at a set time each day. Like my one client I have on Monday, it's kind of weird and hard for me to like get up and be like, all right, I gotta be somewhere at a certain time now. I'm so used to in the mornings just chilling, just like starting whenever I want, getting my coffee, relaxing, just like doing that. Man, they're loud. What doesn't interrupt my call? Poor Mouse, she's freaking out. What's going on outside? We don't know. We don't know. You're so cute. This is the baby. The baby. I gotta schedule her eye surgery. I'm not sure what they're gonna do. They're gonna put something in her eyes so that she does not go blind from her body, her immune system in her eyes attacking her eyes. And she refuses to let us put the eye drops in. So we have to get her surgery scheduled, because I had noticed, I told Jason over and over and over, but he's really busy working. It's growing, starting to grow up into her eye area, and I just am not someone that wants a poor animal suffering, and I don't want her to go blind. Like, that's terrible. She loves to play ball. It's like her favorite thing, and if she's blind, she won't be able to play ball anymore, and she'll be more scared than she already is. She's already a very scared dog, and so I don't want that to happen. I hate making phone calls, though. Like, I haven't even made my own doctor's appointments. I have, like, a list of doctor's appointments I need to call. Wait, what am I showing y'all? I can't see. I don't have the viewfinder on. So, yeah. But I'm going to have to get over that and just call. It's so hot. So that's what I'm going to do today. I always overwhelm myself, and I always have, like, all of this giant list of, like, I have to call, like, all of these doctors, and I have to do it today, and then each day it just seems so overwhelming because I hate making phone calls, so then I never do it. And then 2 years go by, so what I'm going to do is just, like, today say that I have to make her eye doctor appointment, and then that will be it. And it'll be like, yes, okay, so I got that done. And then the next day that I'm available, which would be Tuesday, then I'm gonna start making my doctor's appointments, and it's just gonna be like one a day. One appointment that I have to call and I have to make each day. And then hopefully I can get through it. Jason also has appointments he needs to call and make, but I already have a hard enough time doing my own, so I should not be making his, even though I have. And because he's just not much for making doctor's appointments. It's not like he has a call phobia like myself, but I don't know. I guess he just prefers other things than calling and working on your health. Because when you're young, you don't really worry or think about your health that much until you start having, like, major issues and complications.
I'm gonna try to button this thing first. I don't know if it's gonna button.
Oh no. Okay, what if you just zipped it?
I think buttoning is gonna be a little easier.
I can't believe you got the biggest size and it still seems tight.
Hey
girl.
She got a pocket?
She's got pockets. She got pockets. She can carry her own poop now.
She can. Good girl.
I mean, she probably won't ever wear this part.
Are they sure this isn't for humans?
For human kids. Alright, so it's another beautiful day today, and put the plants out on the balcony. And I'm going to transplant some of my heirloom tomatoes into more pots, kind of thin them out. They're getting a little crowded, and my other plants as well. Some watermelon. Definitely going to be transplanting my broccoli and Brussels because they're getting super leggy and crowded. I'm going to transplant all of these today. Unfortunately, the bike does not fit me, and the bike shop yesterday said they couldn't cut it down, so I am on the hunt for a bike again. So Jason has 2 bikes now, and I have 0. But we're gonna go look at bikes today, and I'm probably gonna order one online that's like a 7-speed. It's like still $400. It's so expensive. Bikes are just insanely expensive, but I really want to go ride them. I have my issues with my knees and stuff. I need to lose a little bit of weight and some fat, so I need to focus on me and my health, and part of that I think would be being able to bicycle. I think that'll be just good for both of us. We don't like cardio and things like that, and it'll be something that's enjoyable that we get to go do together and kind of make like a little date of it. And I would like to maybe ride my bike over to coffee shops and things, as long as I'm not on the road. I'm not comfortable riding my bike on the road. I'd rather like take a sidewalk. Even though we have bike lanes here, they're still too close to cars and things like that. I'm just not comfortable with that, so I'd rather like go slow on a sidewalk, or take like maybe some kind of like trail or something like that that's in like a wooded or kind of like country setting that's paved. I would prefer that. So I'm kind of looking for houses that maybe have that kind of structure and setup, so that I would have somewhere to kind of ride my bike to. I really like downtown Bothell a lot because they have the Sammamish River path that takes you all the way to Woodinville or all the way down to Seattle, and so that would be a good little like landing spot that you could like go to both places. I would like that, I think. There's the transplanted ones. These are a lot of tomatoes. And then the really leggy ones are the broccoli and Brussels. Still have quite a few tomatoes and broccoli and Brussels in there. I was looking online. It looks like that I can probably move these outside, even though our temperatures still get down to like the 40s and 50s. It said like April 7th or something, so I'm not sure. I might leave the starts out, but here's one of my starts. This is either zucchini or squash, not sure. But he has a nice root system already going, but he's quite leggy, so I'm going to bury him really deep, and then he'll stay in this pot. And I'm going to water everyone, and then we're going to head out to the bike shop, and I'm going to try on, well, not try on, I'm going to sit on some bikes and see what bikes fit me. So my Arie arrived, and these shirts are more orange than I was expecting. They looked more peach on the website, so I got a bunch of leggings, and I really like these blue leggings. They have a nice V to them, and I did this shirt where you just like tie it up. It's really big, but I thought this is really cute now. So let me show y'all the total look. This is what I was kind of going for. This was supposed to be more peachy colored. I do like these leggings. They fit really tight. I like leggings that kind of like hold everything in for you. And I love blue coloring. My favorite fruits to get are the Sweetest Batch. This one is, I found the raspberries at Fred Meyer for Driscoll's. They're usually more expensive, but they have a really good flavor. But I haven't tried the raspberry ones. Mmm. It's really sweet. They're nice and firm. Very juicy. Oh, these are perfect. The best raspberries I've ever had. Well, they taste like the ones I go pick here locally. Alright, so we went to the store yesterday. We ended up spending a crazy amount of money. Things are so expensive right now. But I wanted to try this funfetti, like edible cookie dough, because I love cookie dough. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty delicious. It smells really good. I love cookie dough. Let's see what it tastes like. It's a nice cookie dough consistency. Has a nice cookie dough texture. The flavor's nice. It tastes like birthday cake. Has a really strong vanilla flavor, which I love, which is why I like birthday cake usually. I just wish birthday cake didn't always come with sprinkles and all that stuff, because that's like added sugars and preservatives and colors and fake stuff and junk that I don't really need. I just like the flavor of the cookie dough of birthday cake or funfetti type things because it's vanilla. But that's really good. I like it. Alright, my pan is heating up. I gotta go. I'm making eggs. I have physical therapy today. I have 2 client discovery calls this week for people that want me to help them with advertising, marketing, strategies, content creation, release ideas, and then also setting up either Shopify store, Amazon store, and their advertising, just kind of getting their online thing kind of like started, which I already had like a client meeting last week with someone like that. Although a lot of these people have really small, strict budgets, or really no budget at all. So I'm trying to figure out a way for me to still bring value and be able to help them, but while also not devaluing myself, because I've done so much free work my entire life up until now. I'm really starting to charge for my skills, my time, all that kind of stuff. So I think that the best way to do this for people who have really like small budgets, but need someone with my expertise and knowledge, is to kind of have them do all of the actual like hands-on like work, and I just help them with like guiding, talking, like showing them kind of what they need to do, and kind of helping them evaluate and analyze data as far as like the advertising data, and helping them come up with campaigns and visuals that are on brand and look good, and then to show them resources of like how they can go and create that themselves without hiring like a designer or someone like that. That would be more expensive to hire, like someone with that design background that can create from scratch visuals and things like that. That's why I use Canva, which is down below. I always leave my link down there. That's where I make my thumbnails. That's where I make all my marketing materials, flyers, you know, you name it, they got it all. They even have the QR codes. So super cool. That's what I'm doing for my client on Monday. I made a QR code in Canva, and we're going to put it on the flyer that we're going to actually physically mail out. So today I have to go and do that after physical therapy. Go to my client. It's usually a Monday, but today is Tuesday because they were out of town yesterday. So I'm going to go do that, and then I'll have, tomorrow I'm going to go try to find a bike because, as you know, that unfortunately that bike's not going to work for me. So I'm looking for this yellow bike. It's super cute. So I have to go up to Bellingham, which is kind of fun. I like little road trips. So I'm planning that for Wednesday. I'm going to go up there. I'm going to make sure I have my laptop and everything charged up. And so I'm going to go up there and going to study from a coffee shop for a few hours, and then go look at this bike and see if they have anything to fit me, or if the one that I really want, which they have, but they don't have it in the color I want, if it will fit me, and or if not, they can like tailor it to like cut it or do something to make it fit me. And if it doesn't, then they can help me with some other stuff. I just really want yellow. I'm on a yellow kick right now. I like yellow sunflowers. I want yellow everything. I want a big yellow hat. I want some yellow clothing. I want a fanny pack with yellow sunflowers. I want a yellow bike, maybe some yellow galoshes. And I'm so envious of Molly's yellow raincoat, because I found one on Amazon that looks very similar, and I was like, I want to match her. And I really was working on Jason, like trying to convince him to also get a yellow raincoat with the black and the white striping that will match her, so all three of us matching. That would be so cute, like a little family. I just like matching people, so I really want to get that. But he said it went up in price. It was like $40-something, and now it's like 70 or 80, I don't know, on Amazon. And I don't really like using Amazon or buying from Amazon. It was the only place I could find a raincoat that matched her raincoat. So I'm just gonna have to do that, I guess.